morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have another comparison review of the latest Series 7 smartwatches in the market. What we have here on our left is the X22 Pro smartwatch. Okay, if you want to see the unboxing of this wearable, please check the video review on our YouTube channel. And we have here on our right the popular, impressive i7 Pro smartwatch. Okay, it's also another Series 7 smartwatch in the affordable category. Okay, so we'll see and check what are the similarities as well as the difference between these two Series 7 wearables. Okay, so we have here the X22 Pro and we have here the i7 Pro smartwatches, and as you can see here, okay, they almost have the same body design. Okay, let me change the watch faces here so we can compare the bezel. Okay, let's pick a much lighter color. Okay, so as you can see here, they all have a slim bezel, but the X22 Pro do have a much proportion size when it comes to bezel compared to this one. So this one, the i7 Pro, do have a much wider bezel here on the bottom part. Okay, for the body, the X22 Pro is much bigger, I think. Okay, on the thickness, okay, they almost have the same thickness here, but I like the finish of the paint or the color of the i7 Pro. Okay, so still brush finish but much glossy in appearance compared to the X22 Pro that is almost like a flat color, semi-glossy finish. Okay, for the screen here, okay, so they have the same display here, 2.5D, same screen, 2.5D tempered glass. Okay, the crown button is almost similar in size. Okay, we also have a speaker hole on the right side. It's much different compared to this one, the i7. Okay, the X22, we do have at least two here. Okay, so on the bottom part, okay, different sensors, okay, different style, but both are using a ceramic, I think, cover on the sensor. Okay, so X22, as you can see here, we don't have a magnetic connector here because it uses a wireless charging capability or feature compared to the i7 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so in terms of design, the i7 do have a much, or the X22 Pro rather, do have a much better look. Okay, and of course it has a wireless charging. Okay, so it's the next generation device for when it comes to charging capability. For the menus, I like the menu or the operating system of the i7 Pro. As you can see here, we have different menu options compared to the X22 Pro. I do hope that they will have an update for this. We do have a bubble menu, which I'm not really a fan of, as it is hard to navigate and choose the function compared to the i7 Pro that is very easy to navigate. Okay, the same function, both have an alarm, heart rate monitoring, okay, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so let's have a demo. Okay, let's look for the heart rate for this one. Okay, so we do have the heart rate. Where's the heart rate for this one? Here. Let's see if they have the same. Okay, so different animation. I'll put my finger on the bottom part. Let's see. So X22 Pro takes time to monitor your HR or your BPM. Okay, so we have the results now. So it is different, and as expected, and we already stated it here, it's not accurate. Its heart rate and other health functions here will serve as a reference only and not as a basis for diagnosis, because it is not that medical grade quality. The results are not that accurate. Okay, for the sports function, okay, we'll see. So we have, okay, the i7 Pro, although it is much affordable, do have a much better UI here, as you can see. Okay, okay, they're almost the same in numbers of health function, but I like the display or the UI of the i7 Pro. Okay, let's check. Running, indoor running. Okay, indoor running. How about this one? Running. As you can see here, the i7 Pro do have a much better design. Okay, see it here. Both are calculating the calories, steps, and the heart rate as well as the distance. Okay, for the watch faces, okay, here's the watch faces for the X22 Pro. There are other available watch faces in the Wearfit Pro app, but most of the watch faces there are for sale, which is a disappointing part or feature of the X22 Pro. Okay, although it is very stable, I do have an issue or problem with watch faces. Very limited. Most of the good or beautiful watch faces there are for sale, while with the i7 Pro, it has a comprehensive list of watch faces, custom watch faces, and at the same time, we do have this one, an animated beautiful contour watch faces. Okay, similar to the Apple Watch face. Okay, it is a contour watch face. Okay, okay, and another one. Okay, we have a split screen. So the X22 Pro doesn't support split screen, and we have at least different menus here. We also have a game, different menus for the i7 Pro. Okay, so where's that? I think, okay, here in the style. Where's that? As you can see here, we also have a bubble type, I think. Yeah, like that. Okay, so we have a bubble type menu also. Okay, okay, so that's it for the comparison video review of the X22 Pro and the i7 Pro smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding these two wearables, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.